Good morning, good morning. Sorry to be up in your face like that. How is everyone? I am getting ready to go to the eye doctor and I'm going to do a Sheer Joy quickie with you so you can just see another way to apply the Sheer Joy. I was going to start off with my BB cream, but I'm kind of running out of time. So I literally have 4 minutes. We'll see if we can get this done here. And I finally got a new tube of our youth mascara. Good morning, Becky. How are you? This is the youth mascara. I wanted to share this with you guys. It's a brand new tube. I love this mascara. It is a little bit more spendy, but when we have a sale and it goes like 20% off, I like to snag a couple of them. It's just, I keep coming back to it. It's just a really great mascara and it makes a pretty lash. The other thing that I like about it is, you know, the mascara lasts all day, but this tube will last a long time. Like my lash primer, I have to replace that like every 1 to 2 months. This mascara, I can get like 4 months out of. You know, you're supposed to be like changing your mascara every, 3 months, they say, right? But look at that. I just love it. It's a great mascara. So if you ever want to check it out, you can find that one on my Palmafair website. All right, so today, yesterday I mixed a little bit of the Sheer Joy with the Perfect 10 foundation. I gotta put a little lip oil on my lips because they're just feeling like I need a little something. I don't know why they're so red today, but they're red. Yesterday I mixed the Sheer Joy with my Perfect 10 foundation and I loved that look. By the end of the day, I needed just a little bit more hydration, so I still kind of needed to change something up with that. I could have like put a little bit more hydrating moisturizer underneath it, or just like touched it up with a little bit of eye cream in through the day. But so today we're just going to do the Sheer Joy, and you can see it's very, very sheer. Very, very sheer. This was probably a lighter shade than I needed, but it's okay. We're going to warm it up a little bit. But so many of you will just love this coverage. It took me a hot minute to kind of get used to it. It's very liquidy, as you can see as it goes on, but it just evens out the skin really, really nicely and literally looks undetectable as far as foundation goes on the skin. Especially if you just do like 1 pump, 1 layer. Now I've done 2 pumps on the side as well. And you can also see like this dried down already. This is still wet, okay? So it takes a second to kind of figure out how it works to get it to how you like it and understand how it works, kind of thing. Okay. Then I'm going to go in with a little bit darker shade of the Sheer Joy. This one is Chic. I'm just going to do 1 pump. This actually, I've said it before, like when I went to the corporate experience, this is what one of the corporate workers there told me that she did like a lighter shade on her main skin, and then she does like a darker shade on the cheeks. And I know it doesn't show it very well there, but you can kind of see it is a little bit darker than the Bliss that I had underneath. And it's just going to kind of darken up the cheeks and give a little bit more coverage, especially if you have any kind of sunspots or anything like that. But still looks really flawless on the skin, like undetectable. And I just wanted to have like a light layer on today because, you know, when you go to the eye doctor, they put you in that machine. I didn't want like all my makeup to be like touching that and all that stuff. All right, and then we're gonna go in the Lighten Up. Pairs really, really nicely with the Sheer Joy. I'm just gonna go in with shade Medium to just do a little color correcting under the eye and a light conceal. So you can kind of see the difference there. It just gets rid of some of that darker undertone. And then you're good to go. So, and then we're gonna top it off with my little favorite little Timeless Face Stick here. Never mind the hair, I'm not doing anything with it. It's clean, I washed it today, so there's that, but I'm not gonna style it today. And then we're gonna go in with a little Vacation on the cheeks. This is the new color. You can use it as a blush or a little shimmer highlight. And I like to do a lot, obviously. And then we'll put some on the lips. So cute, I love that. And these lip oils, they're on sale today, only 25% off. They're very sheer, like, it looked like there was a lot of color on my lips because my lips were kind of red. But because I just brushed my teeth. But it's sheer, it's a sheer color. So it might look like dark in the container, but it sheers out. So you can kind of see, they're very, very sheer. So they go on top of like everything really, really easily. I'm gonna blend in my little highlight, blush, whatever. So the Sheer Joy just really enhances the skin, gives you a beautiful glow, and helps you look fresh throughout the day. And it really does last. You can also set it with a setting powder to make it last a little bit longer if you want to. It's going to take away some of that glow, but that's okay. So there it is. Okay, so it took me 7 minutes. But anyway, all right, and that's all I've got for you today, but I really wanted to show you the Sheer Joy is so flexible. Even if you don't have the perfect shade, you can use a couple different ones, and that's how you can do that. But it's just a great product. You can even mix it in with your foundation that you're using now. You can use it as a base under a cream foundation. It's just very, very flexible. So I love this product. Infused with skincare. Holler at me if you want help with a color match or anything like that. The makeup's high quality and feels really, really good on the skin, especially for mature skin. So if you like this look, comment match below and I can help you get a color, okay? All right, you guys, make it a great day and I'll see you later. Love you, bye.